dedicate this song to little Junior Parker, a cousin of mine that's gone on, but we'd like to kind of carry on in his name by saying, I don't know why I love you like I do. After all the changes that you put me through, used all my money and my cigarettes, and I haven't seen how to have you yet. I want to know, won't you tell me I love to stay? Take me to the river, wash me down, want to cleanse my soul, put my feet on the ground. I don't know why she treated me so bad.